In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort and synchronize two lists together and align two sets of data in Microsoft Excel. If you have two related lists or tables and want to make sure their items match perfectly, Excel has tools to help you do this quickly and accurately. By the end of this video, you'll know how to align data from different sets so that they correspond correctly. Start by opening your Excel workbook with the two lists you want to synchronize. Make sure each list is in its own column and that they have a common identifier, such as names, product codes, or IDs. This identifier will be used to match the data between the two lists. The first step is to sort both lists individually to make comparison easier. Select the first list, go to the Data tab, and click Sort. Choose to sort alphabetically or numerically, depending on your data type. Repeat this for the second list so that both lists are organized in a consistent order. Once your lists are sorted, you can align the corresponding data. One efficient method is to use the XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP function. In a new column next to the first list, enter the lookup formula to search for the matching value from the second list. For example, if you are using XLOOKUP, select the identifier from the first list as the lookup value, specify the range of the second list as the lookup array, and select the corresponding data column as the return array. Press Enter, and Excel will return the matching value. Copy the formula down to align all entries. Check the results to ensure that every item has been synchronized correctly. If some items do not match, they may be missing from one of the lists or have slight differences. Correct these discrepancies manually to maintain accuracy. This step ensures that your datasets are fully aligned and ready for analysis or reporting. Another way to synchronize lists is by using the Sort and Filter tools together. Apply filters to both lists, sort by the common identifier, and then manually adjust rows where necessary. This method works well for smaller datasets or when you need a quick visual check. By following these steps, you can efficiently organize, sort, and synchronize two lists in Excel, ensuring that your datasets correspond accurately. Aligning your data properly improves readability, reduces errors, and makes further analysis much easier. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.